Unit 5. Speaking, Part 1. Exercise 4.
OK, could you tell us something about your family, Elisa?
Yes, I live with my mother, who's a scientist, and my younger brother, Nikolai. He's starting at the same university as me this September.
And your family, Francesco?
There's my mother and father, and my two sisters, Georgia and Sarah. They all live at home, but these days I have my own flat.
Elisa, what kind of things do you do in your free time?
I have to do a lot of homework, but when I have some spare time, I like to go to the theater or a concert, or I read at home, either to increase my knowledge or just for pleasure. That's what I'll be doing later this evening, actually.
And what about your free time, Francesco? What sort of things do you do?
I spend quite a lot of time on my computer, reading newspapers in English and looking at interesting websites, things like that. Though sometimes I go out with friends in the evening, if I'm not doing overtime, that is.
And what kind of work do you do?
I work in manufacturing. I started out as an ordinary employee, but now I'm in management. I have a lot of responsibilities, but I'm sure there will be some good opportunities in the future if I work hard.
Tell us about your studies, Elisa.
I'm in my second year of an engineering course, and when I graduate, I'm going to do a research degree. That's partly because I enjoy studying, but also because these days I think it's very important to get as many qualifications as possible. I'm hoping I'll have finished my studies by the time I'm 26.
OK, thank you.